Works is a 4.
Oh, it's a 4?
No, 5-speed, yeah.
No, like cylinders.
Yeah, it's a...
I was just gonna take the top, like take the cabin off and just make a go-kart out of it, fuck around in the yard, and then scrap it.
That'd be sick. Oh my.
That'd be wicked. That'll be the weekend, but we're gonna rip the cabin off, just have the engine, transmission, steering wheel.
So anyway.
Wow.
Well, me half hour.
This will be a standing start. Okay, Kyle, here we go. Go, nail it.
What does that mean?
Oh, he's so installed.
We're doing races.
Oh shit.
There's an incident in Variante del Rettifilo. It looks like Aki.
He's on your left. Hold your line. Still there. He's still there. Still there. Clear left. Left side. Hold your line. Still there. Clear on the left side.
Good start, mate. Nice one. Yellow flag.
Right side. You are clear on the right.
Well, people behind me died, so...
Oh my god. I gotta show you that story. Oh, it's not over yet. Oh god.
Incident in Ascari. We think it might be Santos.
Right side. Your right side's clear.
The car in front of us is Antonio, car number 16, and their rating is 2.8.
Right side.
There's an incident in Cover Para. It looks like Aki and Curtis.
Dude,
Still
are you
there.
serious?
Right side's clear.
B16. There's an incident in Variante del Rettifilo. We think it might be Ioans and Moto. Yellow flag.
Right side is clear.
Incident in Variante della Roggia. It looks like Moto.
He's on your right. He's still there. You are clear on the right.
Let me guess, Rico was involved in one of those wrecks.
Fastest lap for Stefan, 142.7. The car in front is
Left side. We're 3 wide. You're on the right side. Still there. Hold your line. He's on your left. Hold your line. We're clear on the left side.
Okay, Kyle, pit window is open. We'll need to pit for fuel.
Still there. We're clear on the left side.
You've just done a 142.2. The next car is Sullivan, car number 2, C license, and their rating is 4.7.
Left side. Still there. Your left is clear. He's on your left. He's still there. Your left side is clear.
He doesn't need it. That's really funny.
The baseball flag in this game is so weird.
That's 20 minutes to go.
On the left. Still there. He's still there. Clear left. You got a car on the left side. Clear left.
Nice one, Kyle. Great move. Keep it up. The car in front is Vieira, car number 17.